to talk about it with your neighbor, what you did. Okay? Mr. G buys 8 boxes of granola bars for a party. Each box has 8 granola bars. After the party, there are 39 bars left. How many bars were eaten during the party? So let me see knee to knee. So you two ladies can turn to each other. Okay. Shakira, Jalen. All right. Most everybody is facing knee to knee. Thank you for following the direction quickly. I want partner 1 to explain what they did, the steps that they did to get to their answer, and then partner 2 is going to agree or disagree and explain their thinking. Thumbs up if you understand. Did I say you're just going to shout the answer at your partner? No, you're going to explain your thinking. Okay, go. I read the problem. Can you explain why, Haley, you did that? Why did you take 6 away from 64? So why? So I heard it. I thought you tell her I took 64, right? Why did you do that? Oh, B. Okay. I see what you're saying. Never mind. M-I-Z. Okay. You should have a little bit of time to share how you did the problem. And if your partner agreed or disagreed if they did that the same way, or maybe they had a different way. We're going to talk about the problem together. So I like how Angel's turning his body back towards the TV. I have his attention. Okay. So I'm going to kind of go through our story problem solving anchor chart that we use when we're talking about cubes, right? The first thing we do is, I've seen a lot of you doing these, is circling our important numbers, right? Yes. What are our important numbers that we should have circled? Yasin?
Number 8.
The 8 boxes, right? What else? Talia? 39. What else? Hafsa? 8. All right. Are those all of our important numbers?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to underline the question. What's our question, Arab?
How many bars were eaten during the party?
Yeah, we want to know how many bars were eaten during the party. Next, we're going to box our clue words. Those are the words that tell us which operation to do. Are we going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide? What are some of those clue words that we needed to box? Charmaine? Each. So if I know that there's 8 bars, or there's 8 boxes and 8 in each bar, what operation is that signaling me to do? Multiplication. So I'm going to put a multiplication symbol right there to remind me I need to multiply, because this word tells me that. What else, Khaled? Oh, eaten. So that is a clue word. If we're eating the bars, are we adding more or taking away?
Taking away.
Taking away. So what symbol am I going to put here? Minus, right? Charmaine, you see another one?
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Left.
Left. Which also tells us that we need to subtract. So what are we going to do first? Are we going to multiply first? Or are we going to subtract first? Think in your head. Maybe check your work. See what you did first. Whisper to your neighbor. Go. Nasir, talk to Angel. Okay, Juan, what are we going to do in our first step?
We're gonna figure out the total to 8 times 39.
We need to figure out our total. He's exactly right. We need to figure out how many granola bars we went to the party with, right? How many, remind me again, what does this mean? Groups up. How many groups did he have?
8.
How many was in each group?
8.
8. Who can tell me what 8 times 8 is very quickly? Get ready.
64.
64. Excellent. How many bars did Mr. G take to the party?
64.
64 bars. Now we need to figure out how many he had left after the party. So what are we going to do to this 64? We used 8 and we used that 8. Turn to your neighbor. What's our last step? I really liked how I heard Charmaine. She used a lot of math words. We're gonna subtract 39 from 64. And she's exactly right. We're gonna start with 64. Take away 39, so I'm gonna line up my 1s and 10s. Can I take 9 away from 4?
No.
What do I have to do?
No.
Go next door. Get